How to reset Premiere Pro 2024 to default settings. Restore all settings. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will explore how to reset Premiere Pro 2024 to its default settings. This can be handy if you've made a lot of adjustments and want to start with a clean slate. Let's dive in. Here I already have my Premiere Pro open. To begin, go to the Edit menu on Windows or the Premiere Pro menu on Mac. In the drop-down menu, select Preferences and then click on General. This will take you to the Preferences window where you can adjust various settings. Now, here's the crucial step. Hold down the Alt key on Windows or the Option key on Mac while clicking on the Reset option. The Reset option will pop up. Go on, select which options that you would like to reset. After that, click on OK. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Yes to confirm that you want to reset all preferences to default. Please note that this will reset all your preferences, including custom keyboard shortcuts, workspaces, and other settings. You'll now find Premiere Pro restored to its default settings, ready for a fresh start. And there you have it. You've successfully reset Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 to its default settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more video editing tips. Thanks for watching.